guys, my name is Jasmine and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my basic female cosplay makeup. I hope you can take something from this video. I'm starting off with some primer and then my favorite foundation. A dark concealer and a light concealer to contour my face. Now I'm sealing everything with some powder.
Black Rocket, I'm in trouble.
And adding the dry contour.
Man, I'm not gonna get home. Black Rocket, I'm so dizzy. Black Rocket, please get busy. Oh.
And some highlighter. For the eyes, I'm taking the lightest shade of brown and putting it all over my lid and some under my eye. Then I'm taking a darker shade of brown and putting it on my crease. After that, I'm taking the darkest shade of brown and putting it in my outer corners.
Black Rocket, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy.
Some shimmery white cream eyeshadow in the corners of my eyes. And now it's time for some eyeliner. I'm adding some red eyeshadow under my eyes. And filling in my bottom waterline with a white pencil. Some nice big eye wigs, and it's time to fill in the eyebrows. Last but not least, the lips. I'm putting on a natural shade first, and then I'm creating an ombre with some red. I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more of me, you should go follow me on my Instagram, and you should also definitely check out the channel's Instagram. If you want to see more, you should subscribe to our channel and like this video.
Oh, now I'm not gonna get home.